How to see who follows you on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Snapchat application and then go to your profile icon from your top left corner. After that, scroll down and then go to my friends section. So basically these are your followers but these are your followers whom you follow back as well. Your friends are your followers. So if you want to see the followers that you don't follow back, you will see in the add friend section uh, who have sent you friend request but you have not accepted. They are also your followers. So yeah, that's how you see your followers. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.